In my last video, we changed around a flu vaccination template, so it just gave patients the option to message you back if they want to decline their vaccinations. Now that's fine, but how do they then contact you to arrange their appointment? We're going to need to put a bit more into this. So I'm going to go and edit the same template we've been using. Here we are, Sunnyside Medical Centre. We've got our wording, and we've got our grey box with our question below. I'm going to change around the wording a little bit. Hi patient, you're eligible for a free flu vaccination from the practice. To book an appointment, please call the practice on contact number or press on the phone icon below. So of course we can leave a contact number in the message, and some smartphones will pick up on that and allow a patient to just press on the number and it will call them, or call you, sorry. But I'm going to do a little bit more to that. I'm going to add in an image, similar to what Matt did with the Sunnyside Medical Centre above. I'm going to go for my image button, and in our server I'm going to look for an icon. Let's see if we've got anything phone shaped. Yeah, you'll do. So I'm going to grab that. Now we can change many things in here. We can put borders around it and so forth, but my main concern is that that may be a little large, so I'm going to make that half the size. To do that, we make width 50%, and we take height completely out of the equation. What we also need to do is turn this into a link. Now in some cases you may be using this as a link to your website. Alternatively, what we're doing here is we're going to turn this into a link that makes a telephone call. So we put tel : at the front, and then the number that we want the patients to be calling. This may be your normal reception number, or you may have a different number you want patients to ring specifically for these kind of events. So I've got tel : phone number in here. My image info has a preview of the icon itself, and it's set to a 50% size. And if I OK that, see it's popped in. Now that may be the right size, or it may not. Let's scroll down and preview this. That's more likely. Now, of course, we can't preview calling someone from here, but that's how we add phone numbers and extra wording into our message.